Hey, you guys. So my source that I chose was BlackPast.org. And on here, BlackPast is mainly just used specifically as an encyclopedia type online center that is centered around African American history as well as global African history. And so here on the main page, if you scroll down, it gives you a quick little few sentence summary about what BlackPast is, and it has more of the recent entries that were written for African American history, global African history, perspectives in African American and global history, which I touched on a little bit more in my entry that I did on the shared Google Doc, as well as some of the special features and resources and other things listed on the homepage. And so at the top, you see that the main two subcategories of the website is African American history and global African history. And so they both have the same subpages on each category, but it mainly you can look at events, institutions, groups and organizations, people, places, or you can look at the primary documents that I also spoke about, speeches, more perspectives. You can also look at African American museums, newspaper magazines, and journals, etc., etc. Same for global African history, as you can see. And I would say also with the main features, this is this holds a lot more of the what else is included on the website. It has some timelines that we can go ahead and click on, and it just shows the overall African American history timeline in the West and King County, things of that nature. More about landmarks, more multimedia genealogy such as Ancestry or 23andMe, the mentoring page, and one I really wanted to look at is how to use it in the classroom. So if you scroll down, there's a few lesson plans here that have been uploaded from specific teachers around the country, and we there's also like some fun things you can do such as Jeopardy, and just also in general some lesson plans that they have uploaded for different topics or different categories such as Civil War, racial segregation, etc., etc. And special features is also just specific things within African American history that I guess could just have its own page or get more information on, such as Barack Obama, lynching in the United States, Black Lives Matter, STEM. And so just to go through this one time, we can look up enter keyword. We'll look up Thurgood Marshall. So Thugger Marshall right here, and I know it put the space in the actual search, but Thugger Marshall, it click up. You can click here, and it gives just a very basic summary of who Thugger Marshall was, what did he do in his lifetime, why he's important, and the subjects that have listed under him and what other terms. So if there's like a specific things as it say here that he was a part of the Alpha Phi Alpha fraternity, then if you wanted to look up more people, you could click on this and then it'll take you to other people in African American history and global African history that are also a part of the Alpha Phi Alpha fraternity. So that is just a little bit about blackpast.org in a video format. I listed more things listed on the entry on the shared Google Doc. So that is all. Hope you guys have a good day. See you later.